A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you don't know, say, a bare lie Satan a tell pan God people them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, no? Drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 12, from verse 1 to verse 18. Then, me see one powerful sign in the heaven. One woman will look like she have on the sun wrap around her like her clothes, and the moon under her foot, and one crown upon her head with 12 stars. The woman did a baby in her belly, and she did a struggle to push out her baby. And she bawl out when baby pain lick her. Then me see one next powerful sign in heaven. One big red dragon. We have 7 head and 10 horn and 7 crown pan him head them. Him use him tail and drag down one out of every 3 star we in the sky and fling them down at earth. The dragon turn up in front of the woman with it bout for have her baby, so that he could have name off her pitney as him born. She have one boy baby. Her baby a go rule all of the people them in the world. Him a go run things, and him nah go take pity pan none of his enemy them. And before you could have quit, our pitney get take up in heaven and go sit down pan God's throne. The woman run away, go one place where God set up for her. Far, where nobody no live. And that's so she go get look after for 1,260 days. Then war broke out in heaven. Michael and the angel them when lead fight against the dragon. And the dragon and angel them fight back. But the dragon did too weak, so he couldn't win and he couldn't turn a heaven. The powerful dragon, the whole snake where the devil from way back when, where they call the devil or Satan, we trick the whole world for sin against God. Him and the angel them get flinged out at earth. Then me hear somebody in heaven a bawl out loud say, the time come now when fury God a go save him people them. Now him a go take him power and rule cause of him a king. Now Christ Jesus a go rule over the world. Cause the devil we used to turn up in front of God day and night and tell lie pan we brother and sister them get kicked out of heaven. God people beat the devil and no give into the sitting them where him want them to do. Cause they never believe in a Jesus where it give up in life on the cross for them. And they never spread the good news about Jesus. And them never love their life so much that they would have afraid for dead. So everybody in heaven wanna feel happy. But all who live upon the earth and people where they see trouble for uno. Cause the devil gone down to uno. Him Bex bad. Bex still in temper boil over. Cause him know same time short. When the dragon see saying get fling down at earth, he start run down the woman where did have the boy baby. Somebody give the woman 2 wings like one powerful eagle. So she could have fly go to the place where God set up for her. Far, far, where nobody no live. And that's so she a go get look after for 3.5 years. Where the dragon can't do her nothing. Then the dragon pit out one whole heap of water like one river out her mouth to try wash away the woman. But the ground open up and take in the flood water where the dragon pit out her mouth. Then the dragon get vexed with the woman. Vexed till him temper boil over. So him go fi go make war against her other picnic them. The one them we do what God say them fi do. And we believe everything about Jesus. Then the dragon got turn up on the beach. And God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.